he gonna be like, he gonna be like, yeah, I mean, he gonna be like, good looking. Look, look. So you treat the animals right, you go to the guy, he gonna be like, yeah, you took care of your cat, I ain't got no shit up, got a little 75 cents, y'all. Feel me? Strawberry, so I'm gonna go get my Twitty, right? Yeah, twist him up all crazy. And then I'm gonna be vicious, look, all crazy. Can we hear a song? Pop fly to the...
Yo, it's just moving! Hey, boy!
Hey! Look, shorty! Look, thick cut! Thick cut, if I feel you, I'm out. It's gonna be like this. Where ain't going? Who is it? It's gonna be like, y'all gonna be laughing. Look, ain't gone, man.
OG, what's your name, OG?
Twitty Bird.
Twitty Bird.
Go on your mouth.
Alright.
Look. We need one song before you bounce,
Yeah, you.
Look, one song, out of breath, though. Look, I just look, hold up. Hold up.
Chill, right? Twitty Bird, what's so lame? Run in your mouth.
Burn some plain nose, Mary Jane, ain't a damn thing came. Tough with the tough line dog. You got it going on. I'm saying I just hit the highway,
What you say? What you got in? What you got in the bag?
Look,
what you got in your bag?
Look. You been a little help saying, hey, cracker. Hey, cracker. I ain't gonna call it that. That ass. Look, it's this. Look. I'm ready to go. Look. I can feel it. I can feel it. Yeah. I can feel it. I need a 5'7" John that's nutritious. The bitch get that shit ain't. So I don't rearrange the whole Brit ain't. Bitch get that money, rain, sleet, or snow. My name's Twitty. Fuck that. Go on your mouth, take your chains, put you down. Dry the frames. Splash your brain with the top. Nigga, what? Cat, I had the fucking 357 all up under the chair out southwest. The door was like this. Look, it was all hot. Look, I was drawn. Yo, I was scared though. Look. I was scared. Look, I was scared. Look, I had the 357 look under my chair. Look, and my man was like, chuck it. So look, I chucked him, but it was drawn. It was drawn. I had to drape something over him, like, throw a neck him. I had to drape him. Look,
Where the knife at, OJ? The knife at? It's in the tuck.
It's in the tuck. You know.
You know what?